one case, we also have the IT department that will be updated on the new system, of how to use the smart class, how to control network. If there's a network problem, you, the teacher, you have any problem, you can refer to the IT department. Then there is no problem of mutual learning from students. We know we have a lot of time. We have a lot of time to get entertained, so always go into this before the teachers do. So teachers already know more about students already know more about tablets, of course, because teachers have more problems to deal with than that. Students are out for fun, so they get used to this quicker. So if you are going to work and you have a problem, there's no shame, let me call it that. There's no shame in learning from your students who are already ahead of you. So this of course, you not learn for them forever. If you learn from students for 2 weeks, that will be enough for you. Mutual learning from students will not take as long as 2 weeks, except you lost your memory or something. But I think if you are in 2 weeks' time, you'll be familiar with the model of using the smart class. The benefits you could pull out of the smart class is the control. You have enough control over your class. You can administer quiz. You don't have to collect papers and tick. You administer a quiz. When they submit the quiz, the reply comes to them immediately. There's feedback after every, like here there is interaction, of course. So everything that you post, there will be feedback from other students and from you, the teacher. You can make comments without having to meet the students. Give them corrections without having to meet the students. And the point of control is also very ultimate in the smart class, because you have the administrative tablet. So whatever the student is doing, you can highlight the student, know what he's doing. If somebody is not paying attention in class, or maybe he's sleeping, but maybe somebody is sleeping, you don't have to wake up the whole class. There's a vibration set that will just make the thing vibrate in his hand or something. So that's all I have for now. My friend, colleague, he said to come more about that.
Yeah. And now I'm coming, I think, for the most important part and for most interesting for everyone, money. So let's talk more about money. And now, what we have, what you have old computers. We know this. So, we can get all your old computers and give you, not exactly give you, but give you this amount of money, but in tablets. So, for this amount of money, you will receive 4,000 tablets. And there is option B, in which, for this amount, you receive 2,000 tablets, but only in the classrooms. Because, if everyone gets his tablets to home and the next day will come at school and say, oh, I forgot it at home, I can't do anything in class. So, our solution is all the tablets to be connected in the classrooms with cables, like computers. And we can do everything only in the classrooms, and we can study only there with them. And home we'll study with our laptops or computers. So, if you don't want to spend the whole amount of the computers only for tablets, and you see, you have only 1,600 computers here. And if you spend them all for tablets, there will be 4,000. It's too much, we think. So, we give you an option to buy 2,000 tablets and to get money in return, and you decided what to do with them. So, our offer is, we give you 1 year test period. Let's say test. For example, if something went wrong, and at the end you come and say, it's not working, we don't want tablets, we want our computers back. Okay, we'll give you your computers back. Maybe not the same one, newest one, but we'll see this in the contract. And we give you 2 years guarantee. If you have problems all the time here at the university, there will be a person from our team, from HP, and he will fix all the problems. He's not just a nerd. He knows what to do all the time. Yeah. And we have another option for you, which is really nice. Do you know about the Porsches? Yeah, everyone knows Porsche and BMW. They have one leasing. It's really interesting. You're driving all the time new car. For a small amount of money, not so small if you want to drive Cayenne every month, but you drive a new car all of the time, and every 6 months they give you another new one, and you're all the time with new cars. So we offer you almost the same. Every 1 year, we will change your old tablets with new one for a small amount of money. But we will talk about this after that in our contract when we sign. And now, you know, the time is passing really fast. So until we're making decisions to do it or not to do it, we're a few steps behind the other universities. And now, can you please, everyone, close your eyes just for a few seconds? Please. All of you. I know that you want to look at me, but please. Yes, and now imagine what will be the classroom of our future, just for a few seconds. And now I will show you, you can open your eyes. Maybe some of you think that it would be somewhere in the space. I hope not, because I'm afraid of heights. But we think that this is our future. And the future of universities. So, we, as a producer, we can say that for us it's really important to make people's life easier and people more happier. And we want to make students and teachers' life really easier. So, yes, thank you all for the attention.
How does it go on?
I'm gonna let them go.
You don't wait for the
Because I analyze the videos and then I look at a lot of stuff and then I decide.
then next week
Yeah, I give them like a graph, everything, and then along with this.
Okay, so then we can discuss
Yeah.
with you later.
Okay.
Well done,
Thanks,
everybody.
Marco. Thank you.